Hey! Oh, what's that sound? It's like someone has the hiccups. Do you have the hiccups? No. Hi. Oh, so it's you who has the hiccups. Oops. Now let me scare you and the hiccups will go away. Okay. Well, how is it? I'm not scared. I'm in the house. Oh, I have an idea. Well, how is it?
Yeah! Uh-oh.
It didn't help. Well, wait, where are you going? Sit down. You need a drink. More. Mmm. Well, how is it? Just a minute. Come on, drink. Well, how about now? This time! No, I can't drink anymore. No need to drink. You need to eat something. Candies! I also want some candy. Well, how is it? Oh, no! What's wrong? I didn't finish reading. You need to eat something sour. No! No! Eat. You want to stop the hiccups? You eat candy with me. Now you can eat the lemon too. Well, did it help? Emily is crying. Emily? Where is she? Emily! Let's go. How did she get there? I don't know. We need a stepladder. Exactly. I'm afraid of heights. You go ahead. Emily! Hooray, hooray! Emily is saved! And you don't have the hiccups anymore! Oh, hooray! Yay! Bye-bye! Hooray! Bye! Hey there! Wow! Oh, what did you find there? Nothing. Okay. Cool, it works! Wow! Oh, where's the bear? Here's what you need. How did we get here? Oh, don't cry, don't cry. Let's go for a little walk. What is happening? Awesome! We're mermaids, Emily! Oh, I got it! Oh, swim away, fishy!
Shh.
Oh, what is going on? Why isn't it working? Oh, it's empty. It's you! Oh, hold on. No, it's not me. Are you in here? Wait. Sorry, please. I was just playing. I won't do this anymore. Okay, I forgive you. Really? Yes, really. Bye-bye. Did you like it?